Okay, I'm under the house. I have not seen it yet. I have not even looked at it for it yet because I want you to see what I see for the first time. I've got to, I'm trying to get down here to turn around. I mean, look how much headroom there is up here. I mean, look, I'm standing up. I'm not kneeling down or anything. I can't even hit up there because I'm way over here. And I brought my boxes. I'm not sure which box I'm going to use just yet. And see, this is the wall that was underneath. Then the floor joists. So it's going to be in that cavity up in there. And I remember the doors here. Well, I'm guessing it's going to be over here. Probably this, maybe this bay. I'm going to look up there. Nope, it's not that bay. And I think it's further than this one. But I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check right here just for kicks. Just for kicks. Look at that. Look at that. There's the wire. That's where I drilled down. You can see there's this belly band on the outside. And see, here's my wire. Look at that. There it is. There it is by Joe. Right there. And see, let's see here now. See, if I really wanted to do it right, I would have to come down here with another drill bit and drill through this to get it down in this bay. But this is underneath the house. I don't really have to do that. You know, I could bring it along the edge here like that, slit the insulation, make a little notch in the insulation, push the insulation back up, you know, all that good stuff, and have it come down. And so this is right where it can go. And so remember I said I could put this kind on there. It's a nail-on box. And I could have it right there, and I could nail it right there if I have enough room to get my hammer in here. And if I think it's not going to hit any knots, see there's some knots there. There's not a happy medium on where to put this, just at eye level or wherever you want. I could actually have it down in here. But see, then it's going to be hard for me to nail down here because of this angled 2x4 here. See, they put that. They did that before they did the siding, the plywood on the outside, and then that made it like a sheer wall and kept it straight. And probably for code, a certain amount of these walls under here, you have to put this plywood to keep it from twisting one way or another. And see, they even, like right here in this corner, they even put some. These are earthquake ties. See how it's down there and it goes up there. Got those bolts. Here's a rod that goes up through there, and it goes up further, and I don't know what happens then. It might go somewhere else and attach. See, this one's the same kind of way. It's tight down there, and then they ran these bolts through there. My word. And sometimes these get loose. Last time I was down here, I looked at a couple of these. In fact, see this one right here? Like, it's loose. It's not supposed to be like that. And I can come down here with a big wrench and check these. See, this one here is loose. Look. Okay? That's not going to... Look at that one. That's not doing anything. I'm not supposed to be able to do that. So, that's not keeping this nice and tight in there. This is a Simpson strong back, a certain type, and the architect would have designed it a certain way, and then you've got to put it in. The inspector looks at it and passes it. In fact, look at that. They ran a 6x6 post up here, and they actually cut the post too short. Look at that. They actually put something else up in there and nailed that and tried to toenail it up in here. And that's not very good. They probably should have had some sort of brackets up there. Look, this thing is all twisted sideways. They've got it nailed here, and you know, I guess it's not going anywhere. The inspector must have liked it. Must have been his bad day. Look, these nails aren't even nailed in all the way. See that? See that one there? They nailed it. I can tell they nailed it with a nail gun, and they put it up at an angle, and it didn't sink it all the way. They should have taken a hammer and finished it off, but they didn't. And they only got that attached with 3 nails. My word, nothing else. Hopefully they got some nails from the top down before they put the top plate on, let's say. But that's kind of silly. How it almost looks like they added these or something. Almost looks like that, huh? You know, like they added it after the fact. But I know this bolt here goes down through there, goes down into the concrete stem wall footing. Look how thick this is, how deep this is, and it's probably 8 inches wide from there, and then from that point down it's wider, and it goes way down into the ground there. So I don't know. Hey, all I can do is I'm gonna have to remember to tighten these up. I got a big crescent wrench. Okay, so enough of that. Let's just look at this box. And I'm thinking I'm just gonna, just for the ease of it, I can put this on there like that, see? And then I can just put a couple screws in there, kaboom, and that's it. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna use that one. And plus, like I said, these 2x6s are at least 19 years old. It's gonna be hard enough to try to drive a nail into that without the nail bending. So I'm going to guess that these nails would ultimately bend, and if they did, and if I was using it, I'd have to take it out, and I could put a long screw in there maybe and screw it, but I wouldn't be able to at the bottom. I couldn't get my drill in there or anything. You see what I mean? I could put this up higher, you know, way up here if I wanted, and do it. But I'm going to use this one here. So I'm going to leave this one down here for now. And I'm not exactly 100% sure. Just trying to set my tripod up here. Not exactly sure where I'm going to put it height-wise. Height-wise. See. Come in around the corner. I'm probably going to be about here, probably right in here somewhere, you know, something like that. So I want to make sure the wire is out far enough. That wire from that electrical outlet, it's only going to go to here. See, it's not going to go all the way over to my sectional couch. I'm going to have another wire coming out of there that then goes to the sectional couch, because I've got to have this wire is going to heat up that wire going to the sectional. This wire is also going to heat up the electrical outlet I'm going to put here, and it's also going to heat up the light switch I'm going to put here, because I'm going to put 2 lights. I'm going to put 2 lights down here. So, you know, I'll probably have it in there somewhere. So I'm just pulling this down a little bit. And remember, I kept it away from the wall up above, so it wasn't going to gouge into the sheetrock. Right? And so I'll keep it right in about there. That's plenty. And I can decide if I'm going to drill a hole, bring a drill in here and get it into the bay, the wall bay. That area is called a bay. See, I could drill a hole right up in there and then fish the wire down there so it's inside. But it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't matter. It's out here, so it's fine where it's at. I don't have to do anything but put the box on there, and away I go. And that'll be another time. But for now, I got to get up there, cut that wire out so that I can put that electrical outlet back in the wall. Yeah, I'm still going to do that, even though it's dark outside. Hey, I'll talk to Mommy and see what's happening. But and if I wanted, I could strip the end of this, put some wire nuts on it. Let's say if I wasn't going to come back down here tonight, so I can turn the breaker back on. But we don't have anybody down there anyway, so I can leave that breaker off until I work again on this tomorrow, because I've got lots of wires to go in there. I could come back down here with my drill, screw that on there, put a knockout on there, put the wire in the box, and then put wire nuts on it, wrap it back up, shove it into the box, and leave it hot. Turn the power back on so the Christmas tree can go back on upstairs, whatever. Okay, but hey, all in good time, right? I only have 2 hands. There's only so much I can do at any one time. And now it's back to go up inside the house, cut that wire off, and put that cut-in box in. I'll show you that next time. Oh, so when I came down here, I brought my staples. Okay, those are the staples for my Romex. Each time I come down here, I got to bring something else, right? I brought my cover plate. I'm not sure if I'm going to have the plug on that side, or if I'm going to have it on that side. It doesn't really matter. I think it's going to be maybe over on the left. We'll see. I'm going to leave that down here, and I even brought my my light switch, my old school toggle switch. It cost me 59 cents. And my old school style electrical outlet cost me 59 cents. And those are both for 15 amp, 14 gauge wire. So I'm gonna leave that down here. So next time I come down, I'll have to remember what to bring. My my roll of wire, my light fixtures, my light boxes, and all that good stuff. Because see, like in this area here, remember I told you I was going to put a light in here. Well, I could put the light right up in here, or more than likely, what I'm thinking is I'll probably put it on the other side of this this air conditioning pipe. It's my guess. I might put it up over in here. That way, some light will shine towards me, towards that way, and kind of over that direction too. Plus, see, there's another cavity over in there, and I forgot all about that. There was a wall underneath the floor that just went up to the floor that held all the TJIs going all the way. So in fact, I might actually hook up three lights down here to that light switch. One light here, and then come through, sneak the wire through there, that hole, and put another one over here. See? And then put one on the other side of this, off of this same switch. So I got 3 different lights on this one light switch. Yeah, that's what I think I'll do. And speaking of those lights, remember I got 2 cheapo lights with pull strings, and they're just, well, no pull strings. They're just hard, no pull strings or anything. They're just controlled by the light switch. I can put one on that side, put one over here, and then that other one, remember I had another one with a pull chain and also with an electrical outlet on it. Because I've got this wall here, I can put that one over here. That's what I think I'll do. I'll stick it over there. That way I can plug an extension cord right into the light box there, because my only closest extension cord to plug in to the outlet is going to be over there, the one that I'm going to install. And I could just do it over there and then bring take all my cords and then go from here over to there, across that way, up that way, if I needed to work on something way up high, let's say. You know what I mean? But we'll see. So you always have options.